That was a sweet invitation. Are you coming?
Of course, we're gonna go there.
She was asking you, Drew. Are you coming?
Drew is shaking. I can feel that.
She invited me. I have to go there. So once again, kailan yun?
Sa March 20.
Friday.
Sa Friday. Babalik ulit ako dito sa Friday.
Alright.
So makikita mo ako ulit.
Alright, so any message from Maha? Any message to all your fans listening right now?
Maraming salamat kasi lagi pa rin sila nandyan kahit na paiba-iba yung love team ko. Ngayon, ang love team ko si Mr. Raver Cruz.
Of course.
Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta niyo sa May Bukas Pa. Ayan, lagi
Okay.
lang kayong manood na May Bukas Pa. At huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa dahil may bukas pa.
Alright! A lot of people here are also excited to have you, so thank you so much for dropping
Thank
by.
you. Salamat din sa pag-invite sa akin.
Alright, we'll be seeing you then at the Quezano Mall March. So, that is this Friday.
Yes.
Right, that is this Friday with
Fourth,
Maha
yeah.
Salvador.
Yes.
You're on
I will
105
see you.
Yes, and we'll see you too. Definitely. Alright guys, thank you so much. Celebrating 72nd out of Davao this with you. This is 105.9. Mixed up
Stuttering,
with the
stuttering.
one and only Maha Salvador.
Can I sing?
Yung mahal? Why is my mahal?
Ilabas ang -1. Hello.
There you go.
Oh, yes, hi. Pwede mo kausapin si Maha.
I don't know.
Okay.
Will that be okay, Ma?
Whoa!
Okay,
How lucky you are!
Ano pangalan mo? Sa Majid. Alright. Sige, dali lang ha.
Wow.
Okay, Maha is one of
In
the
one
restaurants.
condition, send us your kebab. As many as you want. Send us kebabs and then your chicken.
Hello? Hi, Auntie. Opo. Ano name mo, Auntie? Ano yun? Papadala mo na ako ng pagkain dito.
Kayo, kunin ko kayo.
Ikaw. Oo. Sa Friday ha, pupanood ka. Sa Friday, pupanood ka. Bakit ka may duty? Ay, gusto nyo lang nalababad ka ni Ate.
Dito.
Hello. Hello.
Ay, walang film.
Maingay yung mga kasama. Kayo na lang magpunta dito. Come on, magdala kayo ng food. Oo. Diba magdadala mo sa atin ng food? Wala. Churi.
Super dikit dyan ba?
Hello?
Pag ginawa ko
Siya, Auntie, bawal namin silibabad. Nice talking to you. Lagi ka makinig dito.
Ay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, sige.
I love you too. Bye-bye.
Ayan.
Ring, ring.
Oh, sige, sure.
Ma'am, thank you po. Ito ang RDL.
Oh, there. Thank you.
Ay, di yan makuha. Di nanonood ang Santino.
Wait, napakita na ba?
Sorry. Paano sa background na naman?
Ano ulit dalawa?
Ano ba?
Wala akong snack.
Ay, ayaw.
Ay, sorry naman.
There you go.
Wala. Wala. Grabe kayo.